Question number 166. The presence of a characteristic feature that does not differentiate earthworm from cockroach is, and the options given are type of circulatory system, compound eyes, jointed appendages, and the last option is position and nature of nerve cord. In between earthworm and cockroach, the very first option, type of circulatory system, as earthworm exhibit closed type of circulatory system while cockroach have open type of circulatory system. So as on the basis of this, we can differentiate between earthworm and cockroach. So this is an incorrect option. The next option is compound eyes, which are absent in earthworm, but cockroach possesses compound eyes. So this cannot be a correct answer to our question. Third option is jointed appendages, and jointed appendages are absent in earthworm, but cockroach have jointed appendages. So on the basis of this also, we can differentiate between earthworm and cockroach. So this cannot be a correct answer. And the last option is position and nature of nerve cord. And as both earthworm and cockroach are invertebrates or non-chordates, they both possess ventral double solid nerve cord with paired ganglia. So both possesses ventral double solid nerve cord with paired ganglia. So on the basis of position and nature of nerve cord, we cannot differentiate between earthworm and cockroach. So the correct answer to this question is option number 4. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 167. Choose the odd one with respect to mammals. And the very first option is pteropus. Pteropus is commonly known as flying fox, and as it is a mammal, this cannot be a correct answer. The next option is Balænoptera. Balænoptera is commonly known as blue whale, and as it is also a mammal, this cannot be a correct answer. The next option is Bungarus, and it is commonly known as krait. It's a reptile. So this is a correct answer to our question. It is odd one with respect to mammals. The last option is Panthera, and this is an incorrect option because Panthera is also a mammal. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 168. Which of the following is not true for adult Asterias? It's a echinoderm. And the very first option given is radial symmetry, and this cannot be a correct answer because adult echinoderm or adult Asterias exhibit radial symmetry. Although their larval stages are bilaterally symmetrical, but they exhibit retrogressive metamorphosis and their adult forms exhibit pentaradial symmetry. The next option is dorsal anus, and as it is also a feature of adult Asterias, so this cannot be a correct answer because their mouth is ventral but anus is dorsal. The third option is indirect development, and as they have larval stages in their life cycle, so they exhibit indirect development, so this cannot be a correct answer. And the last option is calcareous exoskeleton, and this is a correct answer to our question because echinoderms have calcareous endoskeleton, and that too of mesodermal in origin. So the correct answer to this question is option number 4. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 169. A feature that morphologically differentiates male from female cockroach is the presence of dash in male cockroach. Select the option that fills the blank correctly, and the options given are caudal styles, anal cerci, gizzard, and hepatic caecae. Now male cockroach and then female cockroach, and the very first option is caudal styles, and this is a correct answer to our question because male cockroach, they have caudal styles while female cockroach lack these caudal styles or anal styles. The next option is anal cerci, and this cannot be a correct answer because both male and female cockroach, they have anal cerci. The third option is gizzard, and the last option is hepatic caecae, and this cannot be a correct answer because both gizzard and hepatic caecae are present in male and female cockroach. So the correct answer to this question is option number 1. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 170. Poikilotherms possessing cornified skin and epidermal scales are all except, and the options are chelone, corvus, chameleon and calots. Now the features given in the question, that is Poikilothermus, these are cold-blooded animals possessing cornified skin and epidermal scales. These are the features of reptiles. And among the given options, option number 1 chelone, commonly known as turtle. Option number 3 chameleon or tree lizard. Option number 4 calots, commonly known as garden lizard. These are reptiles, so these cannot be the correct answer. Whereas option number 2 corvus is a bird commonly known as crow and is an odd one among the given options. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's move on to the next question.